So this is the Schebler carburetor running on our 1250cc Volkswagen, very similar to the original Henderson motorcycle. Now with the new emulsion and main jet tube in there that was missing, it seems to be working pretty well. We've got it's idling right now. You choke it, it's going to shut off. Back down to idle. It needs just a little bit of fine tuning. It might be the float adjustment at this point. Right, we do have the vacuum line is off. I don't think it's leaking. No, it's not. We got it pinched. So it does go up to high RPM. Sounds like it's a little rich on high. And it comes back down and stabilizes at idle. So it's very, very close. Now it's a matter of tuning it to the bike. It's nice that the idle, we're icing up back here. It's nice that the idle is right here and that we can adjust it right on the top. We have not adjusted the throttle plate screw yet, but we can probably get this thing idling down to nothing. So I've increased the mixture strength at idle there. Up at the high end, I hear a tiny bit of miss, so I'm going to enrich in the high end. That might be too much. Very sensitive. Very sensitive. Do you have a small screwdriver for the idle? Out if we can take it down. All right, pop me up again real quick. But I almost shut that throttle valve. Hang on. Okay, go ahead and start it. Yeah, we got it down to idling pretty nice. So now it has to be tuned to the bike because it's obviously the bike's not a beat up. Anyway, everything is fine. Thank you.